Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. So today we're going to be cutting out our bustier top. Alright, now our bustiers, armhole bustiers can be used for different styles, Ankara lace, material, plain materials and all. So first, all you need to do is get all your measurements ready. Then the first thing we're going to be doing is the bust circumference measurement. We're going to add 8 inches to it. Then I'll divide by 4, which is the same as the bust circumference measurement divided by 4 plus 2. Now whatever you get, you add extra 2 to it. Mine is 12 inches, which I have folded. So I have the 8.5 for armhole, I have 13 inches for under bust, and then I have 17 inches for half length. So the shoulder measurement divided by 2, shoulder is 14, divided by 2 is 7 inches, but because of the extra 2 inches that was added, I have 9 inches. Here is my 8.5 inches for armhole. Here is my under bust length measured from the shoulder, and this is my half length of 17 inches. Okay, so the 9 inches, I am going to still measure it down to this point in order to get an L shape to create my armhole. Now the next thing to do from here is to get our curve point. So first let's get the bust circumference measurement, which is taken below the 8.5. Then under bust circumference is taken below the under bust length. So under bust circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4. Now here I am going to measure 1.5 inches, and then we'll get the midpoint of our 8.5, which is 4.75, and I'll measure 0.5 so I can connect my armhole like this. Once that has been done, we'll connect the bust and then the under bust circumference measurements. Now, having done this, we need to get the nipple point measured from the under bust length. You can also get the nipple point measured from the shoulder. You can either measure from shoulder or you measure from the under bust length. Now we're going to mark out our dart measurement, which is 4 inches. 4 inches, 4 inches. And on the armhole, you can choose to take any measurement of your choice. You can take 3, you can take 3.5 or even 4. So I'm going for 3.5 inches. First, I'm going to connect my straight line, and then from my 3.5 inches, I'm going to connect to that point, just like this. If you have your curve ruler, you can use it to create your curve, and if you can find your means, please just sketch it out and do it like this in order to get your princess dart line. Now you can create any neck design of your choice: round neck, curve, V-neck, scoop neck, jewel, sweetheart, anyone, but I'm going for a V-neck. So I am taking the measurement of 3 inches by 7 inches. 3 inches by 7 inches, that's what I'm measuring. And of course on the armhole, I take 1 inch, which is for the shoulder slant. All right, let's cut it out first. Okay, here I am trying to adjust my V shape from a sharp V because I don't want it to be a sharp V neckline. But you can go ahead to create your own neck design. Then you can cut it out from there. Okay, now you can either cut or you hold on from our princess dart line, that's from the 4 inches measurement, we are going to be taking 1.5 inches from the base, and I will stop at the under bust measurement, while here on the armhole I'll take 1 inch from my 3.5 inches, and on the nipple point I'm going to take 0.5 inches. Now from my one on the bust, just connect the points, connect all your points. I'm connecting to the nipple point. Also from the armhole, I'm connecting to the nipple point. So as it is, we can just go ahead and cut, but I'm going to still measure forward 0.25 from at the under bust point, 0.25, just to create my curve more better. Okay, so this is what we have, and now we can cut it out. So this is just basically how to cut a princess dart bustier or your armhole bustier. In case this is your first time, go ahead, click the subscribe button. You can then place your pattern on your fabrics to cut. You cut your lining, you cut your wording, and you're good to go.